Root vegetables are some of the most challenging crops on Earth to harvest. From carrots and parsnips to beets, turnips, and daikon, these crops require extreme precision, gentle handling, and strong lifting systems capable of working in any soil. From soft sand to heavy clay. Today, we explore the top 10 largest root vegetable harvesters in the world, ranked by harvesting width. From single-row machines, all the way to the enormous 4-row giants used on industrial vegetable farms. Let's jump in. Starting our list is the ASA-LIFT T150, a trusted one-row harvester used for multiple root crops. It gently lifts vegetables using a rubber intake belt and delivers them into a trailer while removing soil through its cleaning system. Bunker. No bunker direct trailer loading. Engine. Tractor-powered 120-150 HP. Perfect for smaller farms or specialty crops like parsnips and baby beets. The T150 proves that even compact machines can deliver impressive performance. Next is the Miedema MH 1500, another highly efficient one-row root vegetable harvester. It features a star roller cleaning system that works extremely well for roots grown in sandy or loamy soil, producing clean and uniform vegetables. Rows.
1.
Bunker. 1.
5 to 2 tons.
Engine. Tractor-powered 110-140 HP. A step up from tow-behind harvesters, this model offers bunker capacity without the scale of larger multi-row machines. Now entering the 2-row class, the Dewulf R3060 SC is a self-propelled harvester designed for carrots, beets, parsnips, and more. Its dual lifting system increases productivity, while the cleaning unit removes soil without damaging delicate root vegetables. Rows. 2. Bunker. Engine. 175-220 HP. A favorite among medium-sized vegetable operations and professional growers. Number 7 is the Grimme DL 1500, one of the most reliable 2-row harvesters in Europe. The machine is built to handle various root crops, even fragile ones, thanks to its gentle lifting and cleaning process.
Rows.
3. Bunker. Fang 6 tons. Engine. Tractor-powered 160-200 HP. Its strong, precise performance makes it popular among growers supplying supermarkets. Number 6. The ASA-LIFT SP200 is a self-propelled 2-row harvester with superior ergonomics and hydraulic controls. Designed for long harvesting days, it offers automatic depth control, crucial when working with root crops of different shapes and sizes. Rows. 3. Bunker.
6 tons.
Engine. 3 Hz, 320 HP. It's the ideal machine for large farms growing multiple root vegetable varieties. Now entering the 3-row class, the Dewulf GBI 3000 dramatically increases productivity with 3 simultaneous lifting units. It is commonly used for carrots, beets, and large parsnips grown for the food processing industry. Rows. 3. Bunker. 8 tons. Engine. The air cleaning system reduces soil contamination, ensuring cleaner produce. At number 3, the ASA-LIFT SP3000 represents the high-performance 3-row category, designed for industrial-scale fields. It includes advanced depth control, heavy-duty cleaning modules, and a large bunker that maximizes non-stop harvesting. Rows. 3. Bunker.
8 to 9 tons.
Engine.
350, 400 HP.
It is one of the most productive multi-crop root harvesters ever built. Now entering the 4-row giants, the ASA-LIFT SP400 is one of the largest self-propelled root harvesters in the world. Capable of lifting 4 rows at once, it can harvest everything from carrots to daikon at industrial speed.
Rows.
4. Bunker. 10 tons. Engine. 450 HP. This is the machine used by farms that supply vegetable processing factories Taking the top spot is the Dewulf ZKIV 4000, the largest root vegetable harvester available today. With massive lifting belts, a huge bunker, and high-precision hydraulics, it delivers maximum throughput with minimal crop damage. Rows. 4. Bunker. 10-11 tons. Engine. 450, 500 heck. Designed for the biggest vegetable companies on the planet. This machine represents the peak of root crop harvesting technology. And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 largest root vegetable harvesting machines in the world. From simple 1-row harvesters to the enormous 4-row mega machines feeding entire processing factories. If you enjoyed this video and want more rankings of agricultural giants, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.